In this video, I'm giving you an honest review of the StartEngine investment platform, what it really offers, where the risks lie, and whether it's worth your time. StartEngine is an equity crowdfunding platform that lets everyday investors buy shares in private startups, often with minimums as low as $100. You don't need to be an accredited investor, which makes startup investing more accessible. However, these opportunities come with significant risk. Many startups fail, and even if they succeed, it can take years before you see any potential returns. Liquidity is a major issue too, since there's usually no easy way to sell your shares. The platform charges companies raising funds around 7% in success fees, and while investors typically don't pay direct fees, the risk-adjusted cost can be high once you factor in dilution and long holding periods. User experiences are mixed. Many praise the platform's clean interface and transparency, while others report slow communication and issues with refunds or canceled offerings. Ultimately, StartEngine is best for investors who can handle long-term, high-risk commitments and want exposure to startups that could deliver outsized returns, though most won't. If you're looking for safer or more liquid investments, this might not be for you. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more clear and unbiased reviews that help you invest smarter.